If you don't like bulky air conditioners but still want to stay cool, then grab this Trensino Mini AC. The Trensino trademark mini air conditioner is your personal chill zone. Anytime, anywhere. It's not just a fan. It cools, it humidifies, and it fits right on your desk. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or anywhere you need a cool breeze without blasting the whole house. USB powered, whisper quiet, and surprisingly powerful. Trensino brings the cool without the cost. Trensino, this mini AC is cooler than you think.